Let's learn how we can apply a credit note or an overpayment to an open invoice in Xero. So let's search for our contact, City Limousines. And I know that they have an outstanding credit note. So let's click into their contact. And you can see here that they have an invoice for $650 as well as an overpayment of $580.05. So how do we apply that? Let's click into the overpayment. And then at the top right-hand corner, there's a drop down where it says overpayment options. This will allow you to allocate the credit. Now all you need to do is come over here and enter in the amount that you want to allocate to this open invoice. And you're only going to be able to apply the amount that you have available. So if you have $580.05, then the most that you can apply here is $580.05. So it's going to reduce the entire available credit amount. If the invoice amount due was less than your total credit, let's say the invoice amount was $500 that was outstanding that this customer owed, you could apply $500 of the credit, and then what you would have remaining would be the remaining $80.05 that you could apply to the next customer invoice. Now there's another way you can do this as well. So if we were creating an invoice for City Limousines, when I tab over, the first thing I should see is some kind of notification or pop-up that tells me that there is an outstanding credit of $580.05. That's really good for me to know because then I can go in and apply this credit note after I have created this invoice and before this gets sent out to the customer.